Hey guys, I'm Irfan and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your custom thumbnail for YouTube videos. Without wasting further more time, let's get started. So here I have an application for the mobile phone and the link of this application is given in the description, so don't forget to check the description. So when you first open the app, you will see this type of interface, and here you can see lots of posts like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, posters, and all the things like this. And here is written YouTube thumbnail, so we are going to make that. So here, as you can see, YouTube thumbnails, these are some designs what you like. Okay, so let me choose one design. So this is I have chosen for today's video, and to edit any design is the pretty much simple thing. Just tap on the photo that you have to edit and just, so as you can see I have chosen one photo, and here to edit the text it is very simple. Just tap on the text and you can just simply edit the text, and here you can choose between the colors of this text. So here you can choose between the font of the apps, the size of the apps, the color of the apps, and if you want them to be in the center or in the middle or on the left, you can bold the text, get the text Italian, and you can mix the two texts and you can adjust the spacing between them. So this is the very good feature of this app. So when you're done, click on the share button over here. Now it is saying that making the magic happen. So yeah, it's a awesome magic happening inside it. And if you have ES file explorer, just tap on ES save to, and it will save in your internal storage or wherever you want. Okay, so here I have chosen some designs of mine, and these are the designs you can also see in my previous videos. I'm using this app too for a long time, so this is a pretty good app. I'm gonna give this app a thumbs up. So let's talk about it's free or not. So obviously it's free, but there is in-app purchases. Just like I'm gonna show you YouTube thumbnails, and here on the this is the thing. Here, so here is when you click on that one button, you will see the watermark of the Canva, and when you share this thumbnail, you have to purchase the Canva watermark picture, so you can't use this picture on your thumbnails. Okay, so let me show you some another example so that you can understand well. So here is the pasta recipe. Here are four, here is written 4 and that thing. Okay, so here are 4 things. So here is written pasta 30-minute recipe, and here are 4 pictures, or as you can see 4 things. And when you click on share, okay, so here the good choice of fonts, here are too much fonts available in this application for free. So I'll replace one, and just these are the 3 Canva images left, and here is one I have changed, and 3 images of Canva left. So what happening next? So when it is complete sharing, it will show you the purchase premium elements. Okay, so you have to give 3 credits to your Canva application, and it will give you 3 images to you. So here as you can see, cost available is 0 credits, and if I want to buy 3 credits, it's of rupees 100. So it's upon you to use this or not. You can purchase it from here and you can use these images. Okay, I hope you like this video on YouTube thumbnail. So please Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next one. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video too. Bye bye.